Welcome to WizzeBoo, where stories, colors, and fun come alive. Hello, Super Kids! Welcome back to our Sprunki number block coloring series. Today, we are going to draw and color Sprunki number block 10. Grab your markers and crayons and let's start drawing. First, we will start with the main body. Draw one big rectangle for the main body. Inside the rectangle, draw another rectangle outline. Now draw the lower body. Next, let's move to the face. Draw two star-shaped eyes. Inside the eyes, draw the eye details.
Numbers make learning fun. 4 and 5 and 6 so bright. 7, 8 all day and night. Sprunki sings and we repeat, counting steps with dancing feet. Wave your hands up to
Draw a happy, smiling mouth. Inside the mouth, add the teeth and tongue.
Sprunki smiles, we shout hooray!
Finally, write number 10 at the top. Fantastic work! You have completed the drawing of number block Sprunki 10. Now let's color it and bring it to life. Now let's start coloring. First, we will pick up the black color. Color the eyes and the inside mouth area. Black spelling, B-L-A-C-K.
Count with friends, count with me. Sprunki time is number spree. 1 by 1, 11, 12. Numbers make our minds evolve. Sprunki songs we sing.
Next, we will pick up the red color. Color the star eye outlines, the body outline, and the tongue. Red spelling, R-E-D.
Sprunki songs will take you far. Numbers shining, here we stay. Learning grows in every way.
Minigame. How many star eyes does number block 10 have? 1, 2, 3. Answer, 2 star eyes. Well done.
Sprunki, hello friend. Let's count numbers till the end. 1, 2, 3, and 4 we go. Learning fast will always grow. Colors bright and
Next, we will pick up the light soft pink color. Color the main body and the lower body. Pink spelling, P-I-N-K.
Sprunki, Sprunki, you and me. Learn and play so happily. Count with joy, 1, 2, 3. Sing this song with Sprunki. Shapes and colors, fun today.
Let's count to 10 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome counting!
Stop now, we can learn. We know how. Sprunki says, let's start again. Learning songs with every friend. Sprunki, Sprunki, you and me. Learn and play so happily. Count with joy, 4, 5, 6. Sing this song with Sprunki. Clap your hands.
Coloring game.
Your feet.
Which color did we use for the main body? Red, light soft pink, black. Answer, light soft pink.
Sprunki, Sprunki, you and me. Learn and play so happily. Count with joy, 7, 8, 9. This Sprunki song feels so divine. One more time before we
Finally, we will pick up the pink color. Color the smile outline. Pink spelling, P-I-N-K.
Sprunki, Sprunki, you and me. Learn and play so happily.
Fantastic! Our Sprunki number block 10 looks amazing. Learning time. Today we learned number 10. Number spelling, T-E-N. 10. Great job, Super Kids! Count with me. Color learning. Let's learn today's colors. Red, black, pink, light soft pink. Can you say the color names with me? Great job! Eye game. Can you find these colors on the screen? Red, pink, black. Pause the video and point to them. Excellent! Amazing work! This was Sprunki NumberBlock 10 from our Sprunki NumberBlock coloring series. If you enjoyed drawing and coloring with us, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next episode with another amazing Sprunki NumberBlock. Bye, Super Kids!
Thanks for watching WizzeBoo! See you next time for more fun adventures!